Hi, I'm Kim Brown. Glad you could join me today. What happens when it rains? It usually doesn't limit us that much, does it? Because someone invented an umbrella and a raincoat and rain boots and a closed-in vehicle and a windshield and windshield wipers. So as a general rule, we can carry on with our day. I Googled how to stop rain, and there is research being conducted, in case you didn't know, to stop rain. And there are processes being used to stop rain. But until each of us has our own little pellet that we can toss out the front door when it rains, stop the rain, and carry on with our day, we'll continue to use our umbrellas. Now, no one has yet discovered a way to rid the world of fear, of anger, of sadness, of jealousy and hatred, because those are internal processes. Those are judgments that individually we make on the events and circumstances of our lives based on the resources that we have within us, based on our experiences from the past. Now, you may love cats, but your neighbor may be petrified of them. You may lose your job and think, it's just a bump in the road. I know I'm on to bigger and better things. But for your friend, it may be the end of the world. And that's not because you're a better person. It's because you have different resources that you have used and have given these events different meanings. Now, tapping is an effective tool for changing your internal resources and creating new meaning, because you will not change the meaning and the results simply by moving to a new home or a new church or a new school, or by getting a new husband or a new wife, or having a new baby, or by getting a new job and new friends and new clothes. This is an internal process. And if you do not change those internal processes, you will go into this new circumstance, this new relationship, and it won't be long before you begin to experience that same old destructive story. And the more you practice it, the better at it you become. We become better at anything we practice. And eventually, you keep practicing this story, and that new is going to wear off in shorter and shorter amounts of time. It takes changing the internal resources. Watch my video. Contact me, contact another practitioner, schedule a free 30-minute consultation. Learn how you can begin to change your life from the inside out. That is where real and lasting transformation occurs. Because the most amazing experience you will ever have is the experience of changing your mind. Consider giving yourself permission to do so. You really are worth it. Thanks for watching this video. And remember, no matter what you've experienced in the past, today is a new day. See you next time.